If you're a fan of commercial style kitchen faucet, the Kraus Bolden and its simple installation is definitely something to consider. Welcome to ShoultIT Kitchen Faucet Series. Hello everyone, in today's ShoultIT DIY, we're installing the Kraus Bolden KPF-1610 commercial style pull-down kitchen faucet. Let's see how that goes. These are the components when you open up the box. Put the main hose and the supply lines through the hole. Put the rubber washer, metal washer, and the mounting bracket respectively on the main shaft. Tighten the bracket by hand until snug. Then use a screwdriver to tighten the two screws so that the metal washer pushes tightly on the rubber washer. Connect the main water line. Put the weight together, then clip it onto the hose at the recommended marker. Use Teflon tape when necessary and connect the water supply lines and tighten. Finish up by running water and checking for leaks, and you're all done. And that's how we install the Kraus Bolden kitchen faucet. Click like if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing and donating to support the team. Check the description below for more information and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thanks for watching ShoultIT, and we'll see you in another video.